what I'll do is I'll give an explanation of all the things which we'll be covering and how we will be taking the flow of this course, as well as I will show you certain things practically, okay, which will also give you an confidence about how, or what are the things you have to work, like what the industry will expect you to do. Okay, so again, we is like we are best in sharing our working experience knowledge with you. So usually what will happen is that uh, there are certain ways where you can go and prepare yourself if you want to jump into cybersecurity, but then again practical knowledge is not there. And when you want to go ahead and work for any organization, so there are certain roles and responsibilities which you have to take care, like from the beginning. So like from a beginning of a cycle where you want to understand what the requirement is, and the end is taking the reports in front of your clients. So we cover all those things. So our process will be again end to end, where what we will learn. So again, this course we have designed in such a way that we cover the basic aspect of it. Like if you want to get into cybersecurity, so what are the basics you first need to know, right? So there's no way that we really start jumping in middle of something and then we will just directly jump into the certifications. However, what we'll do is we will start everything from scratch. It's like we will understand the networking for ethical hacking. So again, we'll understand the ethics of network, what network is, okay, what are the different models of network being used, okay, we'll understand the USI layers, we'll understand the different network topologies which are being used in different industries. We'll be understanding about ports and protocols. What are the ports? What is an IP address? Okay, how many type of IP addresses are there? So everything will be understanding from a practical point of view. Okay, so in my course, what I do is I teach 70% practical and then 30% theoretical, because it's very important for us to learn how things are done rather than just mugging it.